Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. After a very productive weekend full of laundry, errands, and cleaning in other areas of my apartment, my bedroom is left in shambles. So I'm going to take some time this evening to get everything back in order for the week to come. For some serious after dark cleaning motivation, stay tuned. I washed my bedding earlier, so I'm just going to make my bed first thing. So if I get too tired, even if I don't finish everything that I have set out to finish, I can always just hop in bed. And as you can see, I have my sidekick here. His older brother is already sleeping, but he's having some trouble falling asleep. So I'm just going to clean around him and you'll see a time lapse of him falling asleep later. So stay tuned for that. Next, I'm going to get all of the surfaces cleared off and wiped down. I'm going to fold all of this freshly washed laundry and immediately put them away so that I am not stuck with piles of laundry for the entire week until I do laundry again next week. You guys know it can get out of hand. If you pay attention to Ethan, my 3-year-old, in this time lapse, he slowly drifts off to sleep. Now moving on to the bathroom, as you can see, my sink area is completely filled with new products from Target, cleaning products, makeup, dirty brushes, and tons of other random stuff. So I'm going to get this all cleared off. And I'm also going to be washing my brushes today. I've been putting it off for a long time, and I was trying to blame my hormones on my breakouts, but I knew it was my brushes. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to get them clean right now. Now that my brushes are all clean, I'm going to move them out to my vanity table to dry, and I'm going to do a quick clean of the rest of the bathroom. The facial soap that I use on a regular basis has turmeric in it, and then of course I'm constantly washing off my makeup, and I just washed my makeup brushes, so I'm using a magic eraser to get off all of the stains. To get Ethan's toys out of my room so that I do not kill myself in the middle of the night. And I know I desperately need to vacuum, but obviously both kids are asleep and my neighbors would hate me if I turn the vacuum on right now. So I'm going to save that for the morning. Must say, going to sleep with a clean room and then in turn waking up to a clean room are probably the best feelings ever. That and a clean kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.